This could be your issue right here. VVT Solenoid. Don't change your gallery gasket just yet. This could be your issue. You got a misfire and the engine light is flashing. You think it's a misfire, but it's not. You check the code, you get a P0021 code, which is the VVT solenoid. Or it could be basically the gallery gasket. Also, you be in limp mode. It won't go past like 20 or something. And you think it could be the gallery gasket. In these cars, it could be. It's a 09 Infiniti G37. Those are known for the gallery gasket. But this one, I was lucky. I have a P0021 code. I'm like, oil was good. I didn't see no gallery gasket pieces. And oil pressure was good. So I decided to just swap the bank 2 with bank 1. Because bank 1 has P0011 code. I do not have that code. I just have P0021. So I swapped it. Car was running good. Next thing you know, code came back. The code was P0011, the one I switched. So I know it's the solenoid. So we're about to do that right now. About to switch it up. All right, first take this out the way. Coolant box, coolant bottle. Take this out the way. Now, this is P0011 code right here, which I swapped with this one. So I'm not gonna touch this one. I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna just change this one. Okay? So you can change both. I didn't have both in stock, so I'm gonna do the other one tomorrow. Remove this connector. You have a 10 mil right here. The extension, go in there. Watch the bolt, might fall. Little hammer. See, it's coming out. Go with there with the flathead and just twist. Pops out. Now it's gonna be some little oil pop out. Be careful. Alright. Don't worry about that little oil. See that? This is your issue right here. P0021. The one I swapped from bank 2. There's a new one. Put some oil around here. Or put some fresh oil on it. You can. Now let's put this in. And this one. Like I said, I recommend changing both of them. Don't just change one. Change both. Because eventually you're going to get another code for the other side. Alright, once you put it in there, connect it back on. Alright, once you're done, start up the car. It should be regular now. Erase the code and you're straight.